Alright, the tractor is off the ground. I'm still using these because I haven't drilled through them and used a transfer punch to center my holes to bolt this down. This is quite a little rat's nest of chain. I discussed putting this link up here, and this is working to keep everything straight. Right now I'm just using a C-clamp to lift with. It worked well. This piece right here I lifted right almost against the boards. Everything worked good. I had to put 2 tag lines on it to keep it straight so it wouldn't bump into the blade and get scratched. I'm getting ready to lift another one, and I thought I would demonstrate how it's working. I have not put the gossets on here yet, which is fine. I mean, life goes on, right? But I'll be putting those on as soon as I get this next piece loaded. This second piece that I'm going to be loading is complete. As you can see, it has the boards on. The boards are beginning to crack a little bit, which is fine. That's to be expected. Hopefully they'll stop pretty soon. And as you can see, we have everything in place. So we're going to lift. Now my lift point is going to probably be in here somewhere because the weight is going to be just off center, so maybe about where my hand is going to be, because you'll have the metal to the other side where we have a few inches and such. I'm about to put some air in the tires of the tractor. As soon as I do that, then we're going to be doing some lifting, and I'm going to videotape that so you can see it happening live and in action. I hate that accent, but I do use it. Live and in action. Reminds me of those WWE. Had a friend years ago who would come over, and she watched the WWE, and she had to tell me who the good guys and who the bad guys were. That's during the time of Hulk Hogan and some of those other people, and I don't even know if he's still around anymore. But anyway, let's put some air in the tires, and let's lift all this and show you how it works. Alright, I placed my lift point about where I think the center of effort is going to be. Center of effort, center of flotation. I explained that in a previous video sometime in the past. I don't remember when. Golly! I injured my wrist earlier, and I'm going to have to turn the camera off to tie this up because I can't use my wrist right now. I can't use this hand, and I can't hold the camera and tie it. Alright, all the crying aside, we've got this hooked up now. What I need to do is put a tag line on here. I have this. I may be able to use this strap as a tag line. We'll find out in a moment. I have this extension cord. It's a cord off of something, who knows what. I was going to strip the copper out of it. I haven't done that yet. I'm going to use this for the other tag line because it works well. So let's get this lifted slightly and let's see what happens. Lines do not have to be fancy. Here I've just got one of the straps through into a piece of chain that's tied. On the other side I have the extension of that piece of cable through one of these eye hooks right here, and then it runs down and it's tied in with an overhand loop. So let's load it onto the trailer. If you look, you can see that the bar is slightly bent to the far side. Again, that's because it's off center, and nothing I can do about that right now, but let's lift it up. We tilt the trailer, the bucket forward just a little bit, and lift it up, forward just a little bit, and now we load it onto the trailer. The tag lines prevent the piece from swinging around. See, it's process is going to require me getting off of the tractor, and as I lower it, I will move it into position. There's a towel right there. See that towel? That's what prevents the thing from scratching as I set it down on the trailer. The little flanges on the feet have to be slightly forward. This is an exact 8-foot trailer, and this thing is about 1 inch, 1 1/8 inch longer than 8 feet. As you can see, we're lowering it. Oops, gotta fix something real quick. As you can see, one of the wings has hit the trailer, the other deal. So we pick this baby up, we tilt it just a little bit. I'm on boards that are loose and I don't want to slip and kill myself. I know some of you might want me to kill myself because it makes some really good entertainment. I bring this down slightly. And now what I got to do is I have to put this into position up here against this cowl and get this into place. That's going to take a little bit. I'm going to do that off camera. Then I'm going to untie everything and move the tractor away. Thank you for watching. Dysfunctional Vet out.